Number 1. Introducing yourself easily.
Hello, my name is Mike.
Hi, I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Japan. You?
I'm from Brazil.
How long are you here?
2 months. And you?
6 months now.
What do you do?
I'm a student. You?
I'm a teacher.
What do you teach?
I teach music.
That's cool.
Do you like music?
Yes, very much.
What music do you like?
I like pop music.
Me too.
Do you speak English well?
Hello, I'm learning.
Me too. It's hard sometimes.
Yes, but fun too.
It was nice to meet you.
You too. See you again.
Bye. Number 4. Coffee shop talk.
Hi, what would you like?
I want a coffee.
Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
With milk?
Yes, with milk.
Sugar?
Yes, 1 sugar.
Anything else?
Do you have cake?
Yes, chocolate or vanilla?
Chocolate, please.
For here or to go?
For here.
That's $5.
Here you are.
Thank you. Please wait here.
Okay.
Here is your coffee and cake.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Can I sit there?
Yes, of course.
Do you have Wi-Fi?
The password is coffee123.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Number 5. Finding the bus stop.
Excuse me, where was the bus stop?
Which bus do you need?
Bus number 10.
I know where it is.
Can you help me?
Yes, it's not far.
Which way?
Go straight ahead.
How far?
About 1 block.
Then what?
You'll see a supermarket.
Is the bus stop there?
Yes, right in front of it.
Will I see a sign?
Yes, a blue bus sign.
What time does the bus come?
Every 15 minutes.
When is the next one?
In about 5 minutes.
Do I need exact change?
Yes, they don't give change.
Thank you for your help.
No problem.
Have a good day.
You too. Good luck. Number 6. Making simple plans.
Hello. Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am free. Why?
Do you want to get coffee?
Yes, I'd like that.
What time is good?
How about 3 o'clock?
3 o'clock is perfect.
Where should we meet?
The cafe on Main Street.
I know it. Good choice.
Do you need a ride?
No, I can walk there.
Okay, I'll be there at 3 o'clock.
I'll wait for you inside.
What will you wear?
A red jacket.
I'll wear a blue shirt.
Good. I'll recognize you.
Should we invite Sarah?
Yes, that's a good idea.
I'll call her tonight.
Perfect. See you tomorrow.
I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. Bye for now.
Goodbye.
See you at 3 o'clock. Number 10. Basic restaurant order. Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, I would like to order
What would you like?
I want chicken, please.
Rice or potatoes?
Rice, please.
Any vegetables?
Yes, carrots.
Something to drink?
Water, please.
Still or sparkling?
Still water.
Anything else?
Is there a dessert?
Yes. We have cake or ice cream.
Ice cream, please.
What flavor?
Chocolate.
Is that all?
Yes, that's all.
Your food will come soon.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How much is it?
It's $15.
Here is $50.
Thank you. Here's your change.
Thank you.
Number 11. Asking for help. Excuse me. Can you help me?
Yes, of course. What do you need?
I'm lost.
Where do you want to go?
I need to find the library.
The library is not far.
Can you tell me the way?
Go straight for 2 blocks.
And then?
Turn right at the traffic light.
Right at the light. Okay.
Then go 1 more block.
Is the library there?
Yes, on your left.
Is it a big building?
Yes, it's big and white.
What time does it close?
It closes at 8 p.m.
What time is it now?
It's 4:30.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
You are very kind.
No problem at all.
Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Number 12. Days of the week. What day is it today?
Today is Monday.
What day was yesterday?
Yesterday was Sunday.
What day is tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Tuesday.
What's your favorite day?
I like Friday. You?
I like Saturday.
Why do you like Saturday?
No work on Saturday.
Me too. I can sleep late.
What do you do on Monday?
I go to work.
What about Tuesday?
I work and then go to the gym.
What do you do on Wednesday?
I work and study English.
Do you work on Thursday?
Yes, and I visit my parents.
What do you do on Friday?
I work and then meet friends.
What about the weekend?
On Saturday, I clean my house.
And Sunday?
I relax and watch TV.
Do you like Mondays?
No, Mondays are difficult.
I agree. Mondays are hard.
But every day is important.
Number 14. Talking about animals. Do you like animals?
Yes, I love animals.
What's your favorite animal?
I like cats. You?
I like dogs.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your dog's name?
His name is Max.
How old is he?
He is 3 years old.
What color is he?
He is brown.
Is he big or small?
He's medium size.
I have a cat.
What's your cat's name?
Her name is Luna.
Is Luna a good cat?
Yes, she's very sweet.
What color is she?
She's black and white.
Does she like to play?
Yes, she loves to play.
What animals do you see at the zoo?
I see lions, elephants, and monkeys.
I like elephants. They're big.
I like monkeys. They're funny.
Number 15. Saying goodbye simply. I need to go now.
Already? Okay.
It's getting late.
Yes, it's 6 o'clock.
I had a good time.
Me too. It was nice.
Let's meet again soon.
Yes, I would like that.
When are you free?
Maybe next week.
Tuesday's good for me.
Tuesday works for me too.
Same time?
Yes, 3 o'clock is good.
Same place?
Yes, this cafe is nice.
I'll see you then.
I'll be here.
Don't forget.
I won't forget.
Goodbye for now.
Goodbye. Take care.
You too. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
See you on Tuesday.
See you then. Bye.